So here we are working on section 2.4 of set theory, which are set operations with three sets. So I have a universal set here containing the natural numbers 1 through 7, and I have three subsets listed below, subset A, B, and C. And what I'd like for you to do is, based on your previous knowledge where we did this with two sets, I would like you to find A intersect B union C and A union B complement intersect C. So give yourself a couple of minutes to try both of those problems, and then I'll show you how to do them here in a moment. Okay, here we go. When doing this kind of operation with three sets, using set operations, the trick is you want to do kind of an order of operations like you do with arithmetic. So what I would do on this first problem is I would find the B union C first, and then I would intersect it with set A. And in fact, the way I would write it is this way. Set A is 1, 3, 5, 7. And I want to intersect that with the union of sets B and C. So B has 1, 2, 3. C also has 2, 3, but then 4, 5, 6. So B union C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I've done the first step. I found set A and I found B union C. Now I find the intersection between those two sets. Intersection is always what the two sets have in common. And so they both have a 1, they both have a 3, and they both have a 5. So your final answer is 1, 3, 5. Nice, huh? So let's try another one. Let's try the next problem, which is A union B complement intersect C. So this one's just a hair more challenging. What I need is A union B, and so I can see from up above that A union B, I need 1, 3, 5, and 7. And then I also need a 2, and that'll be all the elements. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. And then I want the complement of that set. Then I'm going to intersect that with set C. So C is going to be 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now that's my first step. So now step 2 is going to be finding the complement of the A union B. And the complement of 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 is going to be 4, 6. Those are the only elements that it doesn't contain. And now I intersect that with 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, which was our set C. And the intersection is where the sets overlap, and we can see quite easily that that is the elements 4 and 6. And so this is how I would do those problems, showing all the work, and it helps me, keeps me from making mistakes when I do these set things one at a time. So your homework for this one is going to be problems 13 through 24 even on page 86, just so you know. Hopefully that'll help you and get you off to a good start, and then we'll explore some more in 2.4 next week.